Early morning, everybody. Just woke up and found my package had arrived while I was sleeping. So let's open it up and see what I got. Saur knife. Must say I was excited when I saw these. I didn't know they had them. Made by Hogue. Branded by Sig. Oh, look at that. Comes a nice little Sig EDC pouch. Clip. Hogue sticker. Add that to my sticker collection. Just the warranty. Alright. Let's see what we got here. We'll put this away. Oh my. Oh. That's an extra clip. That's nice. You lose one, you can get another. You can put the other one on. Oh, I really like that. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Got a manual safety. Turn that off. Oh, that comes out nice. Oof. Got some modified Warcliffe blade. Got some oil on it, of course. I think sharper than crap. Holy mackerel. Now you can turn the, put the safety on now, keep the blade from locking. This isn't a liner lock knife. See? No liner lock in there. You hit this button here. Oh, if I get the lock off, that is. Look at that. Close it with one hand. Button. Close it with one hand. It's got the G10 inserts. Got the nice branded Sig logo there. Oh, wow. I really like this. For what I paid for it, I better like it. Seriously. It feels good. Got a little hole back here if you want to run a lanyard through it. I like it. I think I got my new favorite carry knife. That's it for today, guys. I'll do another video with some cutting and stuff on it, but I just wanted to do that before work. Everybody have a great day.